సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss the amplitude resonance. The word amplitude resonance means already we know that amplitude is the maximum displacement. Amplitude is the maximum displacement. The vibrating particle or the frequent particle reaches maximum displacement is called as amplitude. Already we know that. Now in the new word is resonance. Here resonance. What is the resonance? What is the resonance? Resonance is the particular case of forced vibration. Forced vibrations. Particular case of forced vibrations is called resonance. What is the meaning of resonance? Generally, some types of vibrations, natural vibrations or freely vibrations, damped vibrations and forced vibrations. We know that simple pendulum experiment. Suppose let us consider this is the simple pendulum. That simple pendulum, on the simple pendulum we apply the external force. And removes the force. That simple pendulum vibrates freely. So these vibrations are free vibrations, and that frequency is the natural frequency. But we applied the force and oscillate. Force oscillate. This is the forced vibrations. These are all forced vibrations. So free vibrations, natural frequency. Forced vibrations, driving frequency. Because force applied, driving frequency, applied force, that is the forced frequency and also driving frequency. So then the term resonance is the particular some special case of forced vibrations. If the frequency of the applied periodic force, is equals to natural frequency of the body. In the case the frequency of applied periodic force is equals to natural frequency of the body. Then this is the clause. If frequency of applied periodic force is equals to natural frequency, then the applied force helps increase the amplitude. The body of each step of vibration, then the applied force increases amplitude of body, each step of its every vibration. So look at this. This is the simple pendulum. This is the free vibrations. This is the forced vibration. And free vibrations, sometime after some instant time, the body is in rest stage. But the forced vibrations, every step of vibration, this is the vibration, every step of vibration, the amplitude is increases. This phenomenon is called as resonance. Resonance means if the frequency of applied periodic force is equals to natural frequency, then the applied force helps increases the amplitude of body each step of its every vibration. This is known as resonance. Because the force is always in phase direction. This phenomenon is called as resonance. Okay, then what is the definition? Write the definition here. Okay, it's a resonance. It is a particular case of forced vibration if the frequency of the applied periodic force is equal to the natural frequency of the body, then the applied force helps to increase the amplitude of the body at each step of its vibration, because force is always in phase with it. By these effects, the body vibrate with a large amplitude. This phenomenon is known as resonance. Okay, already we discussed, it is a particular case of forced vibration if the frequency of the applied periodic force is equal to the natural frequency of the body, then the applied force helps to increase the amplitude of the body at each step of its vibration. Because force is always in phase with it, by these effects the body vibrates with a large amplitude. This phenomenon is known as resonance. Now the definition of amplitude resonance. The particular driving frequency at which the amplitude of Raven oscillator is maximum is known as resonant frequency. This phenomenon is known as amplitude resonance. The particular driving frequency means frequency of forced vibrations at which the amplitude of Raven oscillator is maximum. So then what is the amplitude resonance? Amplitude resonance means amplitude become maximum. Amplitude become maximum is known as amplitude resonance. Already we discussed the resonance. The body vibrates with a large amplitude. So in this definition of amplitude resonance means the amplitude become maximum. So here maximum amplitude we derived the maximum amplitude, then that is the amplitude resonance. Already we know that the amplitude of forced vibration, the amplitude of forced vibration is given by, already we know that what is that equation? A equals to F upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. Already we know that these terms omega means under root k for m, p is the extra periodic force, p upon 2 pi is the frequency, and 2b is the damping constant. That is, so these terms are already we know that. Okay, so this is the formula of the amplitude of the forced vibration. Amplitude equals to F upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square minus p square. When which case of amplitude is maximum? So this term is minimum, so this is the maximum. Here amplitude is f upon some function, f upon some function. If this is the minimum, the amplitude is maximum. This is the minimum, the amplitude maximum. This is the maximum, the amplitude is minimum. So already we required that the maximum amplitude. The maximum amplitude is amplitude resonance. So the fraction of the amplitude is once again amplitude equals to f upon under root omega square minus p square whole square 4b square p square. In the term of amplitude, the denominator is minimum, the amplitude is maximum. So when under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square is minimum, then amplitude becomes maximum. So that equation is called amplitude resonance. So in order to find the amplitude resonance, so the denominator is minimum. So if under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square is minimum, then d upon dp omega square minus p square whole square 4b square p square is equals to 0. If under root omega square minus p square plus 4b square p square is minimum, if this is the minimum, then the derivation of this term is 0. So the derivation of the term d upon dp of omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square equals to 0. So the derivation of this term 2 omega square p square into minus 2p. So the derivation of this term, total term 2 omega square minus p square into the derivation of minus p square equals to minus 2p plus 4b square p square is the 2p equals to 0. So 2 2s are minus 4p omega square minus p square plus 8b square p equals to 0. So 8b square p equals to this term 4p omega square minus p square. So here p is the cancel 4 in 2 times, then 2b square equals to omega square minus p square. Okay, then p square equals to omega square minus 2b square. Okay, p equals to under root omega square minus 2b square. This is the p. Then the frequency equals to p upon 2 pi. P, what is the p? P is the under root omega square minus 2b square upon 2 pi. This is the Raven frequency. This is the forcing frequency. This is the forcing frequency. Okay, then this term substitution in the term of amplitude. What is the amplitude? Amplitude is the amplitude A equals to f upon under root omega square minus p square whole square plus 4b square p square. So this term is substituted in this equation. So amplitude equals to f upon under root omega square. P means under root omega square minus 2b square whole square under root whole square plus 4b square. P square means under root omega square minus 2b square whole square. So this equation can be written as amplitude equals to f upon under root omega square. Here square root is the cancel, here square root is the cancel, remaining sir omega square minus minus into minus plus 2b square whole square plus 4b square omega square minus 2b square. So this equation can be written as omega square is the cancel, omega square is the cancel. A equals to f upon under root 2b square whole square plus 4b square omega square minus 4b square minus omega square minus 8b to the power of 4 minus 8b to the power of 4. So in the place of p is the substitute in the equation p equals to under root omega square minus p square. So this is the maximum. So amplitude under root 4b to the power of 4 plus 4b square omega square minus 8b to the power of 4. In the under root, what is the common 4b to the 4b square. 4b square is the common. No. This equation can be written as A equals to f upon under root 4b square omega square 8b to the power of 4. 4b to the power of 4 is the minus 4b to the power of 4. So this equation can be written as A equals to f upon under root common 4b square is the common, 4b square omega square minus b square. So further simplification, A equals to f upon 4b square is the 2b under root omega square minus b square. This is the maximum amplitude. A maximum equals to f upon 2b under root omega square minus b square. This is the maximum amplitude, because in the term of amplitude we substitute the p value. P is the under root omega square minus 2b square. But P square equals to omega square minus 2B square, then omega square equals to P square plus 2B square. So this value is substituted in this equation. Then the equation can be written as A maximum equals to F upon 2B under root omega square means P square plus 2B square minus B square. Then the equation can be written as A maximum equals to F upon 2B under root P square 2B square minus B square plus B square. This is the total A maximum, amplitude maximum. This is the amplitude maximum. Amplitude maximum means this is the amplitude resonance. Here two cases, amplitude resonance. Totally, what is the amplitude resonance? Amplitude resonance is A maximum equals to F upon under root P square plus B square 2B. Okay, this is the amplitude resonance. Here two cases. First one is for low damping. Here two cases for low damping. B tends to be 0. That is the B approximately 0. So A maximum means amplitude resonance equals to F upon 2B, 2 into 0 under root P square plus 0 square. A maximum equals to F upon 0. A maximum equals to F upon 0 means infinity. Okay, so for low damping, A maximum is infinity. Low damping means slowly. This is the damping. For low damping, there is no damping. The amplitude is maximum. So another case, B is very small. In another case, B is very small. B square is very, very small. Then the condition B square is approximately 0. It's negligible. So then A maximum equals to F upon 2B under root P square plus 0. B square means 0. A maximum equals to F upon 2B under root P square. Then A maximum equals to F upon 2B P. This is the amplitude resonance. Some case of amplitude resonance. So this is the condition of B is very small. This is the amplitude resonance.